Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Peter Karunas with ShopVox bringing you another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about the win every job mentality. What is the win every job mentality? Well, you're going to have to stay tuned to find out. All right, so what is the win every job mentality? What does it take to have that introduced into your ecosystem? The win every job mentality is that of a tendency to have your teams look at every particular type of job and you must sell it. You must sell that customer because we're not in the business of selling signs. We're in the business of selling solutions. It needs to be your mentality. It needs to be your mindset that when you get into this business, when you decided to put on your sign shop owner hat and become an executive of your own company, or a manager of the company, or a sales manager of the company, it's important that you must adopt this theory, that you must put yourself in the positive mindset to win every job. Why? Why do I need to have this? Why do I need to put this into my business? The sign shops that understand this usually are the ones that have a high gross sales number. The sign shops that don't are ones that are very transactional, not quite consultative in their sales approach. So what does that actually mean? Well, let's dive deep into that right now. So first and foremost, the win every job mentality is usually centered around the thought of not every job is given. Not every job is guaranteed. You don't know when your next sale is going to come. So you must win this one. When you adopt that theory, when you adopt that mentality, essentially things become a little bit easier for you because you have a task at hand and that task is to win this job. Now, what constitutes a win? By selling it? No, there is a 4-win policy that I coach sign shop owners on, and here it is. Each and every person involved in the transaction needs to win. The customer needs to win. The customer needs to get value. They're the number one reason why you're in business. So you need to provide value and a service to that customer at an affordable, reasonable price that they find to be justified. The second win is usually the sales manager, the sales agent, the sales associate, the person that's making the commission on the sale. They need to win as well because that's their livelihood at stake. That's how they make their earnings. That's how they make their commission dollars, by actually winning the sale. The third win is the company. The company needs to win. It needs to be a profitable sale for each and every one to win. You can't just throw a sale out the window and give it away for nothing, then nobody wins. So the company has to win because the sale has to be a profitable sale. And the fourth win, and this doesn't apply to everybody, it applies to the sign shop owners that are in a franchise. And it's basically corporate's going to win. Corporate's going to win when a sale is made. Essentially, that's how layered this particular transaction could be. The customer all the way up the chain, all the way to the corporate offices of your franchise. So when you adopt this 4-win policy, or in many cases 3-win policy if you want to go there, you're going to have that killer mentality that you must win every job. But the two are connected. When you put in wins for your employees, for your staff, for your customers, it makes making a sale a celebratory event. It also makes sales competitive, and it also makes sales very fun. I mean, who wouldn't like a $1,000 sale right now? Who wouldn't like 5 $1,000 sales right now? When you introduce this win mentality, this win every job mentality, it creates a dynamic in your shop that not one opportunity can be lost. In fact, I have some shops that have told me that they win 8 out of every 10 opportunities. That's an amazing closing rate. That's 80%. That means that when they pay for a lead, they are expecting to close 8 out of every 10. Their cost of acquisition is dramatically lower in some shops when you adopt this killer win every job mentality. But remember, when you adopt this win every job mentality into your business, into your ecosystem, It's important to follow the steps of your 3 or 4 win steps that I've outlined earlier, because that's the driving force behind this mentality. When you give the customer a reason to win, that makes the sale so much easier. It makes the salesperson that much happier. It makes the company that much more profitable. So do me a favor, try it out. Let me know how it goes for you. Will the win every job mentality be the difference maker for your shop? Will installing this methodology into your system change the entire outlook of how your sales department works? I bet that it will. I bet that you'll have some really good success with the win every job mentality. So that's it for me. I hope that you learned a little something with the win every job mentality here that we discussed in this video. I look forward to seeing your comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that you'll know when another video from me or from another member here at the Shopbox team will hit your computer screens. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to catching you on the next one. And don't forget, stay positive out there.